Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move anywhere. What we are going to study, कौन सा हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं? काउंटिंग, काउंट एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट, है ना? जस्ट काउंट एंड addition done. Now count and subtract. But before we start anything, let's pray to the God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and start with 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath, beta. Start. Everyone, rub your hands. Put it on your face. Now slowly open your eyes. Now you should be peaceful or ready to study. Okay? And today our topic is textbook page number 42. Which page is there? Page number 42. And it is the, first of all, write your date and CW. What you have to write there? Date and CW. Guys, write your date and CW. Okay? Then what is the heading? Subtraction. This is the subtraction by counting backward. In addition we are going to count forward. एडिशन में हम काउंट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्शन में बाय काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड. काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड कैसे होता है? फर्स्ट आई हैव टू लर्न दिस थिंग्स. ओके, काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड मीन्स यू हैव टू मूव बैक. जैसे फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग मीन्स क्या? 0 to 20. तो 0 1 2 3 4 5 दिस इज योर फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग. 10 फिर 11 20 11 to 20 this is your forward counting. Okay, and you have to do here counting backward in for a subtraction. So let's do count backward. This is the number 20 19 18 17 16 14 15 14 13 12 11, then 10 9 8 7 till 0. This is your counting backward. And here is the one exercise. Write backward counting from 0 to 20 to 0. By mistake मैंने यहाँ HW बट लिख दिया, but skip it out. Okay, this is your CW. It's so easy, you can write within a second. आप 2-3 सेकेंड में फटाक से लिख दोगे. So start. 20 19 18 17 14 13 12 11, and here is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is your backward counting. So do subtract by backward counting. It's need to learn this backward counting. Okay, it's so easy. Just you have to, जैसे काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड होता है वैसे ही काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड नंबर्स. ओके, by backward counting we have to solve the word subtraction. Clear guys? And the same work you have to do in your notebook. I will explain to you. Okay, chale. And now it's your next page, and next page here is some exercise जिससे नंबर को आपको बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करके सोल्व करना है. ओके, this is first of all write your date and CW here beta. Write your date and CW. This is the same page. You, for example, now we will learn subtraction by counting backward. हम counting backward करेंगे और subtraction learn करेंगे. Okay, this is your first example. If we Take away 3 from 7. What is your subtraction? 3 from 7. 3 from 7 हमें subtract करना है. We have to count backward. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Count backward. Listen guys. 7 minus 3. This is your subtraction fact. 7 minus 3. So how to do? 7 से 3 डिजिट जो बैक जाना है. क्या करना है? 7 से 3 डिजिट you have to back. So 7 before, this is here. 7 before 6, 5, 4. In subtraction, you last digit your answer. What is this? Last digit your answer. Let's count 7 before 6, 5, 4. 3 finger is there. So what is your answer? Your answer is 4 and write it here. Clear? In a backward counting, what we have to do? We have to move backward and your last digit is your answer. Okay? Let's do some exercise. Here is the exercise. SUBTRS, it is subtract the following by counting backward. Backward counting करके आपको subtract करना है. Clear? चले. 6 minus 3. What you do? How many digit you have to move back? 3 digit. So 6 before 5, 4 and 3. So 3 is your answer. Write it down. Next one. 7 minus 4. 7 से 4 digit back. 7 before 6, 5, 4 and 3. So your answer 3 is here. Okay. Let's move next sum. And next one is 17 minus 6. 17 से 6 डिजिट बैक जाना है. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फिंगर रेडी रखना है. 17 से 6 डिजिट बैक. 17 से बिफोर 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So your answer is 11 is here. Now next one 14 minus 4. 14 से 4 डिजिट बैक. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10. Your answer is 10 here. Guys, it's so easy. No anything is new. Just move backward. Clear? Next sum is here. Next sum is 11 minus 4. 11 to 4 digit back. 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7. And your answer 7 is here. Next one. 6 minus 5. 6 to 5. 6 से 5 digit back. 6 ये 5 fingers first count करके रख दो. फिर 5 back जाओगे. 6 before 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So your answer is 1 here. And keep in mind when you subtract before number, जब आप to the any number कोई भी नंबर का before number subtract करोगे, आंसर is always 1. 1 ही आंसर रहेगा. Okay. Next one is 19 minus 4. 19 से 4 finger back. 19 before 18, 17, 16 and 15. So your 15 is here. It's easy or hard? I think it's easy if you do hardly. Next one is 18 before 3. 18 के before 3 fingers. 18 before 17, 16, 15. So 15 is your answer. Next 8 minus 5. 8 से 5 finger back. How many? 5. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And answer is 3 here. Next one 13 minus 4. 13 से 4 finger back. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9. And your answer 9 is here. Next one, 15 minus 3. 15 से 3 finger back. 15 before 3 finger. 14, 13, 12. 14, 13, 12. So your answer 12 is here. Next one is, and this is last year 11 minus 3. Sorry, 11 minus 8. So first count the 8 finger. This 5 and this 3. 8 है ना. So 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And your answer is 3 here. क्लियर गाइस. अभी मैं ऊपर में चली जाऊंगी तो आपका नीचे वाली एक्सरसाइज इजी रहेगी. यू कैन सी नाउ some more subtraction. This some more subtraction for your practice. Without practice maths is not possible. Just learn, it's not possible for maths. You need a lot of practice. So that's why I so many sums give in worksheet, in your notebooks, है ना. Okay, I think you are good children. So do your work daily and time to time. Okay, what you have to keep in mind in maths, just write something only, but use our brain so many, है ना. हमें हमारा दिमाग ज़्यादा यूज़ करना है, लिखना बहुत कम है, बट दिमाग को ज़्यादा यूज़ करना है. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट नंबर इज दिस CW. इट्स लास्ट ईयर्स की बुक है, इसीलिए CW नो नीड टू राइट देयर CW. दिस ऑल दिस सम इज कंटिन्यू टू हियर. चले नेक्स्ट वन, 19 minus 3. 9 से 3 finger back. 9 before 8. Sorry, 18, 17, 16. And your 16 is here. Okay, now 16 minus 4. What is that? 16 minus 4. So 16 से 4 finger back. 16 before 15, 14, 13, 12. And your 12 is here. Where is your 12? Here. And the next one is 13 minus 5. 13 से 5 finger back. How many? 5. So 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 is your answer. And where is your 8? 8 is here. Okay, I am going to erase it so you can show it easily. मैंने erase कर दिया, अभी अच्छी तरह से आपको दिख पाएगा. And next sum is, what is that? 11 minus 5. What is the sum? 11 minus 5. You have to look in your video or in your textbook. Okay, 11 से 5 finger back. 11 before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And 6 is here only. Guys, hope you all are understand. Next one is 8 minus 4. 8 से 4 finger back. 8 before 7, 6, 5, 4. And answer also 4. What is the answer? Answer भी 4 ही आया है. Next one, 18 minus 8. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. चलो let's count. 18 में से 8 minus करो. 18 before 17, 16, 15. Then 14, 12, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And your answer is here. So you need to count backward, lot of practice. And that's why so many sums is here. And last one is 7 minus 7. This is the 7 and 7 minus 7. So answer is 0. व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट सेम नंबर आंसर इज 0। जब हम सेम टू सेम नंबर माइनस करेंगे आंसर इज 0। सपोज आई हैव 2 sharpeners। हाउ मेनी sharpeners आई हैव? 2। आई हैव गिव दिस 2 sharpeners टू द स्टूडेंट्स। मैंने ये दोनों शार्पनर स्टूडेंट को दे दिया। हाउ मेनी रिमेन विथ? 0। हाउ मेनी? 0। 0 मीन्स नथिंग, कुछ भी तो नहीं। ओके, चले, दिस एक्सरसाइज इज डन। लेट्स मूव द हॉट्स। वन मोर सम इज हियर। पीपल हैविंग, लास्ट वन, ये हॉट वाला, योर फिंगर शुड बी ऑन द लाइन गाइस, पुट योर फिंगर ऑन द लाइन। एंड पीपल हैविंग, PEOPLE, people having token. What is there? People having token. Numbers 8 to 15. People के पास अपना टोकन है 8 to 15 are waiting outside। उसी को जिस सबके पास टोकन है। टोकन मीन्स आपको पता है, ऐसा कहीं पे भी आप जाओ जहाँ लाइन में अरेंजिंग में रहना है, आपको एक ऐसी पीस दिया जाता है, कुछ चीज़ दी जाती है, जैसे एक ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, सर्कल होता है या तो फिर स्क्वायर होता है, ट्राइंगल होता है, यानी शेप इज देयर, प्लास्टिक का ऐसा टोकन दिया जाता है और वो लेके यू हैव टू स्टे इन क्वे, आपको एक लाइन में खड़ा रहा जाता है। सो यहाँ पे 8 to 15 आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड। जैसे आप खाना खाने जाते हो, वहाँ पे भी अगर जब बहुत लॉन्ग लाइन है, वहाँ पे क्वे है, तो आपको एक टोकन दिया जाता है। सो हियर इज 8 to 15 नंबर का टोकन वाले स्टूडेंट पीपल को आउटसाइड वेट करना है। कहाँ पे? वेटिंग आउटसाइड मैकडोनाल्ड्स। मैकडोनाल्ड्स में पीपल 8 to 15 को बाहर की वेट किया जाता है, करवा रही है, यहाँ पे है। सो हाउ मेनी पीपल्स आर वेटिंग आउटसाइड। कौन कौन से पीपल आउटसाइड है वो नंबर आपको काउंट करना है। तो कौन कौन से? 8 to 15। सो 8 ऑल्सो बी आउटसाइड। सो 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 एंड 15। दिस 8 to 15। देखो 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15। These 8 to 15 numbers have to stay outside for a waiting. These 8 to 15 are waiting. So how many numbers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write your answer 8 here. I already had written. For your kind information, for your reference, write this number also। जिससे मैंने यहाँ पे ये नंबर्स भी लिखे हैं कि 8 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15। These all numbers have to waiting outside. And how many total these? These are 8. Okay, clear guys? These 8 numbers have to wait outside. Hope you all are understand. Now let's move to our notebook work. This is your CW and notebook work is there. Look here, I also have make a good book for you also. And then let's move. This is your notebook, है ना? चले, what you do? Write your date and CW here. अपनी date and CW डालोगे। Write your date and CW here. Okay, then write your heading counting backward। जैसे टेक्स्ट बुक में है वैसे you have to count 20 to 11 in first row and in second row 10 to 1। For your practice you have to count this 20 to 0 backward counting। Okay, now skip a line, this line skip करो आप and then put your star here। This is your margin line, है ना? एंड राइट योर हेडिंग सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग बाय काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड। काउंटिंग बैकवर्ड आपको प्रिपेयर करना है। सो मदर इफ़ यू हैव टाइम प्रिपेयर दिस ऑल थिंग्स फॉर योर चाइल्ड। आप अपने बच्चे के लिए सारी चीज़ प्रिपेयर कर लो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज द नोटबुक वर्क। इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दिस जस्ट स्टूडेंट हैव टू राइट आंसर ओनली, है ना? सो राइट योर डेट एंड CW, योर हेडिंग एंड देन skip a line and दिस 20 और 11 नंबर लिख दो, बीच वाला नंबर उसी को बोल दो कि वो लिखे. देन 10 to 1 is there, then 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. ओके, वो बच्चे लिख देंगे. क्लियर. Then heading is ready. Now here our practice sum is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So how to do? 7 say 2 finger back, 6 and 5. And answer 5 is here. Next one, 15 minus 5. 15 say 5 finger back, 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. And your answer 10 is here. Next one, 20 minus 2. 20 say 2 digit back. How many digit you have to move back? 2 digit. So 20 say 18, 19, 18. Your answer 18 is here. Hope you all are understand. Now next sum is there. 13 minus 3. So 13 say 3 finger back. 13 before 12, 11, 10. And 10 is here. Okay guys. Let's move next sum. Next sum is 7 minus 6. 7 say 6 finger back. How many? 6. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And answer 1 is here. Okay. Let's move next sum. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. 10 say 3 finger back. 10 before 9, 8, 7. And answer 7 is here. Next one, 5 minus 1. 5 may say 1 minus k. Answer is 4, because when we minus 1, answer is before number. And addition में क्या होता है? When we add 1, जब 1 ऐड करते हैं, answer is after number. Clear? Next one, 4 minus 4, 0. This 4 minus 4, answer is 0. Suppose I have 4 sharpeners. How many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I give these 4 to the students, how many remains with me? 0. This 4 is given to the students. How many I have? I have 0 sharpeners. Okay. Chale, let's move. Next sum, 3 minus 2. 3 say 2 finger back. 2 and 1. And 1 is answer. Clear? Next one is 9 minus 6. 9 say 6 finger back. 9 before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And answer is 3 here. Clear guys? This is your notebook work. And for your homework, what is your homework? Worksheet page number, which one is there? Worksheet page number 28. There is so many sums, है ना? There is so many sums, but for your practice you have to complete it. For your practice you have to complete it. Worksheet page number 28. Maths need lot of practice. What you need? Maths need lot of practice. Without practice we can't be success, है ना? Okay students, this is your subtraction by counting backward, and we will meet in next videos. Bye bye beta, have a nice day.